What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to install a new headlight on my 2019 Iron 883. I'll be replacing the stock headlight with an LED version. I'll put a link in the description for the headlight. Just for comparison, this is what the stock headlight looks like. I've already replaced the turn signals with LEDs, so now the headlight will match too. So to remove the stock headlight, I'll be taking off this ring over here, which is only held down by this one screw here. Pay special attention to this notch here. Those two have to line up when you reinstall the new light. Make sure you don't install the light upside down. You can look at these words at the top and make sure the words are right side up, then you know you're in the right direction. After you line up the notch in the headlight, just make sure you tighten the trim ring down really good. There's the high beams. If you liked the video, click the like button. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. Until next time.